Navigate to the diagnosis section, enter the unit prices for required services, like engine oil change, oil filter replacement, engine oil top-up, and more. Carefully review all entries to ensure accuracy, and once all the required information is added, simply click the Save button to securely store the diagnosis and pricing details. Click on the Create Sale Order button. Review all the details along with prices. Remove or cancel any unnecessary items. And then click to Save Option button to finalize the order. Click on Confirm option to create sale order. Head over to the delivery section, click it, carefully review all the details, and once everything looks perfect, click the Validate button. Navigate to the diagnosis page, review all the details carefully, and effortlessly confirm your selections by clicking the Confirmation with Done option button. After finalizing the sale order, confirm all the details, complete the order, and send it immediately. Go to Job Card number and click it Check in Progress status, check all details like service charges, checklist, spare parts, timesheet, etc. Click on Create Work Order option. Easily fill out the timesheet by selecting the mechanic's name. Begin by navigating to the Date Selection section, where you carefully set the start date and end date for the period you want to record. Once both dates are correctly selected, you can proceed with filling in the relevant details. Then click and save it. Click on Job Card and check timesheet details. Tick on Vehicle Repaired option. Then Save Detail and click Done option. Enter the required email information and send it instantly. Navigate to the Customer Rating section and click it. Select the desired customer name and click it. And enter their email address in the provided field. And detail saved it with Click Save option. Fill in the customer rating field to record and maintain accurate feedback for improved service quality. Navigate to the Main Menu option and from the Main Menu, open the Settings panel. And navigate to the Technical Configuration options. Within the Technical section, select the Emails menu to access all system-generated messages. Here, you can thoroughly review, verify, and monitor every email that has been sent from the system. Carefully scroll through the list to locate the customer rating email and confirm that it has been delivered successfully. This ensures accurate communication, reliable feedback collection, and smooth follow-up with your customers, allowing you to maintain accurate communication and reliable feedback tracking.